creating a report. You can create text, grid, chart, image, and barcode in a report. This video describes how to create a report using text controls in a grid control. Right-click the subfolder of View Model and select Report in the New. Enter the code, name, and description to create a report object. The Report Design Studio configuration screen. First, define the parameters to be used in the report. Input the parameter name and specify the type of parameter. After defining the parameters, design the report using the text controls. Click the text control in the toolbar and drag it into the design area to create text control. Create a title by specifying the properties of the generated text control. Create other labels in the same way. After creating the labels, select the parameter from the parameter list and drag and drop it into the design area to create the text control. When the report design is completed, go to the Basic Query tab and write a query statement. The result of the query statement created here is represented in the text control you created earlier. Next, create a grid. Double-click the grid type parameter defined in the parameter list to set the grid information. Support grid column setup screen. Go to the Grid Query tab and write a query statement that queries the data to be displayed on the grid. After you execute the query by clicking the Run button, the query results are displayed in the Query Result tab and a reference column list is created in the Grid Columns tab. From the reference column list, select the columns to be displayed on the grid, input the type and label of the columns, and save it. Drag and drop the grid parameter from the parameter list to the design area to create the grid control. Adjust the size of the grid and double-click it to make detailed settings. This is the screen for setting the layout of the grid. Adjust the width of each column, specify the properties and save. Once the report design and setting is complete, you can save and run it to see the report generated. Thank you for watching.